In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change campaign conversion goals in Google Ads. Before we begin, a quick note on what we're doing. Conversion goals tell Google Ads which actions matter most to your business, like a purchase, a sign-up, or a page interaction. Updating these goals at the campaign level helps Google optimize your bidding and reporting around what you actually care about. With that in mind, let's walk through the process clearly and confidently. First, go to your Google Ads account and sign in. Once you're in, look to the main navigation and click Campaigns. This takes you to the central view where all your campaigns are listed. If you're already on a different page, clicking Campaigns again ensures you're back on the full campaign list where you can make the changes you need. Next, find the specific campaign you want to adjust. Click the box next to that campaign's name to select it. Selecting the checkbox is important because it activates the toolbar that lets you make edits to that exact campaign rather than changing anything globally or in the wrong place. With the campaign selected, click Edit. From the options that appear, choose Update Conversion Goals. This opens the conversion goal editor for the selected campaign, where you can tailor which goals this campaign should optimize toward. Inside the editor, you'll see options to change a goal, add a goal, or remove goals. This is where you align the campaign with your current objectives. For example, if you want to broaden the actions that count as a conversion for this campaign, click Add Goals. From the list, choose Page Reviews if that's a meaningful action for your business. This tells Google Ads to include that action as a conversion signal when optimizing performance for this campaign. Once you've made your selections, click Apply. Applying confirms the update and saves the configuration for that campaign. You should now see a confirmation that the conversion goals were updated. If you don't, double-check that the campaign was selected and that your changes were properly chosen before clicking. Apply again. A few helpful tips as you wrap up. Changes to conversion goals affect how Google Ads optimizes and reports going forward, so expect performance to adjust as the system learns. Make sure the goals you choose truly reflect what success looks like for this campaign. Also, keep your bidding strategy in mind. Conversion-focused ad strategies work best when your goals are accurate and consistent. That's it. You've successfully updated your campaign's conversion goals in Google Ads.